My name is Yiqing, and I would like to share with you my experience with the ARCGM internship. I've always been interested in research, but I never really understood how to proceed further in this area. So when my manager made me aware of this internship, it was the first step into research for me. The structure of the program was really helpful to ensure a productive learning process. There was an initial virtual meeting with the ARCGM team, which set out the purpose and structure of the internship and made it clear what is to be expected. As part of the internship, I had the opportunity to complete one of the clinical research module, which was critical appraisal and evidence synthesis. Having gone through this module, I understood how much more in-depth knowledge is needed to pursue a career in research, and I've learned a lot from it. Besides that, I get to join in on the healthy aging group and the nutrition research group meetings, which allow me to listen and speak directly to active researchers in those fields. This was really helpful as I learn a lot from these meetings and have been given really useful advice from it. I've always had a research topic in mind approaching this internship, which was a cohort study, and I had the opportunity to complete this study over the past year. I wanted to include a small section of my study in this poster presentation to show what was completed. The study was to evaluate the quality of life of the elderly on home parenteral nutrition compared against the younger age groups. My internship supervisors have been invaluable during this process as they help guide me through completion of this project, from formulating the research question to presentation of the results. It was a statistics-heavy project, therefore I also had the opportunity to increase my knowledge and skills in statistics through different training courses for this. Since completing the study, there has been further discussion with my supervisor and the head of the intestine failure unit here at Salford Hospital, and we will be aiming to publish this study. I have been given a lot of opportunities through this internship. With access to different conferences and talks, I now have a better understanding of the pathways and the opportunities available in research under the NIHR. I have developed a more in-depth knowledge regarding research. I realized that research requires a very different mindset compared to clinical practice. We're used to making quick decisions in clinical practice, but with research, it requires more thought, and taking the time to do this is really important. Going forward, I plan to explore further opportunities to be involved in research and continue with developing my knowledge in this area. With what I've learned from this internship, there are a lot of transferable skills that I can bring to my current work. I would definitely recommend this program to any of my colleagues who are interested in getting involved in research. It is a very good introductory program to get involved. Lastly, I would like to thank Sorrow and Sam, who have been amazing supervisors during my internship. They kept me on track throughout the whole process and provided a lot of support when I needed it. I would also like to thank my department for allowing me the opportunity to do this and provide the necessary support needed from work.